Salsa Verde pairs beautifully with so many Mexican dishes like birria barbacoa, sopes, quesadillas, what else? Tacos. I mean, you can literally elevate so many dishes. It is a classic. You have got to learn how to make it if you love Mexican cuisine. First things first, I've preheated my oven by turning the setting to high broil. It's gonna get that oven nice and hot because the ingredients are gonna get cooked in there. You can also roast them over a comal until they're charred and cooked through. We're gonna need 1 pound of tomatillos. I've already cleaned them, remove the husk, rinse them with water to get that sticky film off. And these are gonna go straight into a parchment lined sheet pan. For the spicy component, we've got 2 jalapeños. You could also do serranos, which are a lot hotter. And I'm just gonna cut these in half. You can remove the seeds if you like, but I'm gonna keep them for that nice kick. And I am gonna remove that stem as well. And 1 poblano pepper. Poblano peppers are typically mild in heat, but you can get the occasional spicy one. It just, I guess, depends on the batch. And I'm gonna remove that stem area as well. And here I will be removing the seeds. Peppers are gonna get arranged skin side up, cut side down. Roughly cut half of a white onion and 2 unpeeled garlic cloves. Give them a light drizzle of oil. I'm using avocado oil. Now place them in the oven on the top 3rd rack. That way they're exposed to that heat, and allow them to cook through and get a light charring. It'll take about 10 to 15 minutes. Just keep an eye on it. I did let the ingredients cool down slightly. I'm gonna peel those poblanos. Basically, all you're doing is removing that loose skin, and just do this for the poblanos. Super easy. I'm also gonna peel that garlic, which is nicely roasted. I just love the smell of roasted garlic. And everything goes into the blender. Now, if you wanna learn a few more tips and tricks, maybe more information about this recipe, feel free to visit villacocina.com. That link is always going to be in the description area. I just love writing articles about the recipe. I try to keep them short, but very informative. 1 small raw garlic clove, 1/4 of a small bunch of cilantro, 3/4 of a cup of water. If you want it looser, you can always add more water, but that's really up to preference. And I'm going to do 1 teaspoon of kosher salt. This can be done to taste, of course. And now blend it until a chunky consistency is formed, or you could go for a smoother salsa, which is ideal for tacos. Such a great salsa, so easy. We're gonna give it a good taste and see if it needs salt. Whoa, it does need another 1/2 teaspoon of kosher salt. This is just an estimate. Oh my goodness, and just check out this consistency. It is a beauty. This is perfect as an appetizer. Perfect. So important for you to add the right amount of salt in there. It just opens up the flavors. I can really taste that tomatillo, the acidity, the poblano. This salsa is a winner. You have got to try it. If you're using this as an appetizer, you could even do some diced onion in there. It would be so, so good. Obviously, if you're using it for a dish that already has onion in it, I would just omit it. You can really play around with it. It is so good. I hope you try it at home. And as I mentioned, this recipe is going to be available on villacocina.com so that you can print it out. Enjoy some tacos or enjoy some corn tortilla chips. All right, until the next one, everyone. Bye.